are all connected. Never has that been more apparent than now. Even when we're separate, we're together in our efforts. Because of the current pandemic, we now have a greater responsibility to protect each other. The current pandemic has affected more than 3 million people in the world. Infectious diseases have shaped human history and remain with us today, continuing to burden populations worldwide and threaten the global economy. Older adults and vulnerable populations are especially at risk. And yet, we have no clear-cut solution at the moment. In a time of complexity and confusion, sanitation should be simple. Sanitation 101 involves clean hands. A sanitation spritzer, PumPix, has the appearance of a sleek wristband. Aside from its comfortable lightweight wearability, this product is affordable and simple to use on your hands, as well as commonly touched surfaces, both in public and at home. After you fill up the gadget's inner chamber, PumPix is good for 100 pumps. PumPix offers a straightforward design and peace of mind. You no longer need to buy small bottles of sanitizer. You can use PumPix as many times as you wish and refill it when you run out of sanitizing liquid. Less plastic means less harm to the environment. After touching the elevator button, a grimy door handle at the supermarket, or your phone's touchscreen, clean those nasty germs with PumPix. The PumPix backward sliding button activates the inner chamber with one pump, releasing just the right amount of sanitizing mist to rub on both hands from front to back and between fingers. PumPix is your sanitizer at hand and your companion in the battle against illness. We have found manufacturers in the US that will produce PumPix so that we can deliver it to you fast. Remember, this won't end for anyone until it ends for everyone. And even when it ends, PumPix will be on standby to defend you when needed in the face of colds, flu, stomach bugs, and beyond.